This is Bigar Water Complex. Behind me it's Bigar's cave, where we found out about a very interesting legend. This legend says that a beautiful young girl was locked by her parents from falling in love by a young man called Bigar. This is Bigar Spring and the place from where the mother of the young girl was drinking the water, being advised by the witch so she could have children. The only problem was that if the girl was falling in love by someone, she could have died. And here we are at Bigar Waterfall, considered one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world. Here, the hair of this young girl was transformed in the waterfall to attract Bigar. And in this way, their love story became immortal. The tourists that are coming here every day can find out and read about this interesting legend.